Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Rich Life at 60. I know I'm not the right person to be here in front of you because I myself is not yet financially well off or stable. But I do believe that God has something great in store for me because in my heart and in my mind, He will use me to bless others. At age 45, this is me. Living alone, renting an apartment, jobless, hopeless, anxious, warrior, utang kini, utang keta, despite I quote, yasa na ako man kanu, and still, ala akong ibuga kembir. Ala ako pa apatunayan, ding apundar ko, ditak-ditak, mawawala. I'm such a failure in career, in business, and even as a mom. From one job to another na naging fund attendant ako sa Casino Filipino, Balibago. I was a pioneer then. And then naging assistant manager ako sa Greenwich naman, which is the fast food. And then naging assistant hotel manager naman ako sa Victoria Court. And then also naging front desk supervisor ako sa Louis Grand. And then naging front office supervisor din ako sa Azuro Hotel. And then naging purchasing officer ako sa Kings Royal. And then yung latest ko, which was sa taas naman, nag-shift ako from restaurant and hotels, nag-BPO ako. And then, I was also an entrepreneur from one business to another. Ang dami ko ng logo, grabe. Di ko na yata mabilang. So, from food, retail, online seller, ice cream, sari-sari store, ano pa ba, catering, lahat na lang yata pinasok ko. Pero wala pa din. I'm still living a miserable life. Also, nag-domestic helper ako sa Hong Kong twice. First nung 2001 up to 2003, and then second 2009 to 2011. So lahat ng napundar ko unti-unti nawala, naubos. It's because I'm not financially literate. Or shall I say, wala tayong alam. Though matalino tayo or nag-aral tayo, still hindi pa rin siya enough. Ganun lang siya. So we have to learn more, especially through our financial, how we spend money, how we budget, and all sort, for us to reach a rich life at 60.